That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white.
Hi Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2019. So today I'm doing my first acrylic set ever, and I was so excited to do this. So I'm using my Cadrim nail drill from Amazon, and I'll have everything linked below because everything was super affordable if you want to start doing your nails at home by yourself. And I'm just prepping the nail bed, and I'm using a coarse bit to do this. It's a safety bit, of course, and this set was really good because it came with a ton of them, and then it came with a couple different nail bits. So now I'm just grabbing my glue, and I have my nail tips already pre-measured out. And what you want to do is you just want to make sure that the nail tips are hitting from sidewall to sidewall and that they fit properly so that your nails stay on a very long time and that it's not uncomfortable for you, or not too small or not too big. And I'm just going to keep doing this on every finger. And in my polygel video, you guys can like get a more detailed description and close-up view of how I applied that. But now I'm just going to go in with my nail glue, and I'm going to put it on the tip and on my nail itself because for some reason my tips always break off while I'm filing them, and nobody got time for that. So I just had to make sure it was extra secured. So you just want to hold it down for about 30 seconds and then, you know, go through all of the nails and make sure that they're all pressed down and secured on. You also want to make sure that all of the nails are straight because I make this mistake all the time. Sometimes the nails aren't straight and I have to kind of go back and peel them off because crooked nails are a no-no. So these are how they look on there, all straight. And now I'm just cutting them down to the desired length that I want, and I'm just using this nail clipper. I got this from the beauty supply store, but I know they sell them on Amazon as well. And you can find them on there cheap. So now I'm just taking my Mkaart filer, and most of the things that I'm using in this video are from Mkaart because they're affordable and amazing. And no, I've never been sponsored by them or anything, but I have won their giveaways before, and I've gotten like gel nail polishes, which you will see me use. So after I finish filing the shape to the desired shape, which is just like a tapered square, I'm just blending it into my nail bed to make sure everything looks natural, and I'm applying my Kiss acrylic primer to my nail beds. And I use this primer because it was the only one I had. So now I'm just going with my Mia Secret system, and I'm using the clear acrylic and her monomer, and this system is amazing. I had no trouble at all using this system, and my nails came out pretty good and smooth, I think. So this is the new brush that I have. It's a number 8 Kolinsky brush, and I'll just link it down below. So when it's time to apply the acrylic to the nails, I make sure that my brush is really wet, and I go and I dip into the monomer. After I dip into the monomer, I just put my brush on a slight angle into the powder, acrylic powder, and I let a little ball form. And then I go in close to the cuticle bed, but not right up on it, just to make sure that I'm not getting too close up to my cuticles, because I always have a hard time doing my cuticles, even with polygel. So I knew I didn't want to make that mistake with acrylic. So now I'm just, you know, applying the acrylic and smoothing it down. For some nails I use 3 balls, for other nails I use 4, and for 2 of my nails I even used 1 ball. So it just depends on how big of a ball you pick up. I definitely recommend the 2-ball method because when I used the 1 ball, the nail came out a little too thick, and it came out it was like I had to work really quickly, and I had to make the acrylic more wet. But this is just a clear base nail. For my glitter nails, what I did was first I put a very thin layer of acrylic down, and then I put the glitter mixes onto the nail, and then I encapsulated it with a thicker layer of acrylic. So you guys can just watch and see what I'm doing, and if you have any comments, comment down below. Let me know how I can improve. But yeah, I've been doing my nails for a while now, so I've just been like going up the rankings with doing my nails. I started on with press-ons, then I went to polygel, and now I'm up to acrylic. So now I'm gonna try to finesse my acrylic skills. So after everything is done, I just filed off camera for you guys. And now these are what the finished nails look like. So I'm just applying a top coat so that you guys can really see how shiny and glittery the encapsulated look nails are. Underneath, applying top coat underneath is very important because it makes your nails very shiny. And then for the two nails, I'm going in with the Mkaart jelly nail polishes that I won, and I'm using the orange and the blue shade, and I'm just painting them on, and this is the finished look. How did I do for my first time, guys? Let me know.